today we have the Tengyun 2x2 and the MGC 5x5. I've been waiting for these tubes for like a week, so I'm really excited. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Accessory box, cool. So let's see. These are springs, and this tutorial thing. More springs. Okay. This contains absolutely nothing, and let's get right into the cube. Wait, what? Okay, this is quiet. Okay, this makes no sound, absolutely no sound. Okay, compared to my using Little Magic 2x2. Okay, this is too good. This is way too good. So I'm not really too good at 2x2 because I only use Ortega, and I'm too lazy to learn like CL and all that stuff. So let me just do a solve real quick. I'm really bad at 2x2. Okay. Let's see. So let's do blue face here. Okay. Oh. PBL skip. Yeah, really lucky. Okay, let's just do a few souls. So let's do green. Orange. Okay. Yeah, it performs really well. It's definitely my main. So I'm going to make a review on this based on what I think of it, like after a few more solves. So stay tuned for that. The MGC 5x5 is one of the best 5x5s on the market. At least that's what I heard. Okay. This looks pretty awesome. Okay. I hate plastic wraps. Oops. Okay. Okay, what's inside here? Let's see. This do absolutely nothing. A screwdriver. Okay, that's what I need. Springs and extra magnets. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, let's do some first turns. Okay, this is effortless. Okay. I don't know if I did that parody right. Probably not. Okay, this is way better than my old main. Okay. Let's test corner cutting. Okay. Just a little bit more than the second line. Okay. Not really. So okay, it sometimes doesn't corner cut well. Okay, it has some weird lockups. Okay. So far I like this cube. Okay, let's do the parody one more time. Okay, this feels better. Did I even do that parody right? Okay, I don't even care. Okay, so I'm also terrible on 5x5, so I'm not gonna do a solve because it's going to take like 10 minutes. So okay, so this cube feels really good. So I recommend this if you're getting into 5x5, but like don't spend too much on like a Vogue 5. This is enough for someone like me, just new at 5x5. So my old main was, oh, I can't find it, so no. Okay, So this cube, it's really good. Yeah, I would recommend this to anyone. I feel like the top cubers will like this. Yeah, it has the same weird lockup as my old main, which is using cloud. Yeah, like that. Oh, yeah, this kind of weird lockups. Well, it doesn't really matter that much because, well, it actually would during parity, but I don't see any problems doing parity on this cube. So I would recommend this to anyone. Yeah, this is really good. So if you want a 5x5, that is really good, but you don't want to spend too much on it, just get this one. It has better qualities than the Volk 5 because it's cheaper. It's only $20, I believe. The Volk 5 is like 50, right? Yeah. So it's basically half the price, but I don't think this is as good as the Volk 5, but it is really good. It's really good. It's way better than the budget ones. So I have like 3 budget 5x5. They're all garbage compared to this. Yeah, this is too good. Okay. Let's test reverse. Okay, it doesn't really reverse cut. Okay. So let's do some slice moves. Whoa. Okay. Maybe it's just me because I'm just too bad at 5x5, but I don't feel like the slice moves are comfortable, like just for me. But it's okay. I might just have to get used to it and I'll be fine. So yeah, this is a really good cube overall. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you next time.